Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I will talk about shortlisted candidate of IIT Guwahati for Humanities and Social Science department. Okay, so guys, IIT Guwahati already published their shortlisted candidate list. So I think most of the student, okay, almost all student have received their call letter for interview. I think guys you are preparing well. I have made a video what will be the basic question for your interview, so you can check the description box and you will get a link about that video, because all those question preliminary question for interview, it will help you a lot. Okay, all this question, if you prepare the answer of all those questions, so it will help you a lot. Okay, so guys, I think this information will be very helpful for your preparation. Okay, so guys, in this video I will tell you about what are the student ratio. What is the student ratio? Actually, there are different category. How many seats are there for general, for SC, ST, OBC, and for EWS category? Okay, so you will get a complete idea, and I am making this video not for this year, for like upcoming years. Why I am making this video? The reason is that you will get idea how many student they will get opportunity to take admission in this PhD program. Okay, and all the students who are from different social science background, and this video will be very helpful for you also. Okay, so guys, let's start. I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So this is the tentative list of available seats. Okay, so for 2021, okay, so IIT Guwahati had published it during admission application or application time. So I think, look, total number of seats are like 35. So this is like PhD in humanities and social science. Okay, so they will take 35 students out of how many students? So I will tell you all the information. So look, 170 students are shortlisted for interview. Okay, so out of this 170 student, they will select only 35. So I think this is a very good this is 170 is not like a big number. Okay, sometimes you can you will see that 250 students are called for interview. Okay, sometimes, all because I have seen that. Okay, so I have applied for BSB domain. Okay, 2019, more or less like 270 people were there. Okay, 270 people. Okay, so 170 people is the good number, is a very good number. Don't worry about that. Okay, don't worry about that. Wait for a moment. Okay, now you will see that how many seats for look, general, for general candidates. Okay, for general candidates, so there are for general candidates 14 seats are there. And how many students will appear for this interview? Wait for a moment. From this, okay, so look, from 88, you can see the exact figure number like 90. Look, from this, okay, from 90 to from 90 to 170. It means that from 90 to 170, 170. So it means that 82 students overall, 82 student. Okay, 80 students, 82, like 88, it means total like 82 student will compete with each other for like 14 seats. Okay, for 14 seats for general category, like 80 student, 82 students, like they will compete with each other for these 14 seats. So why I am telling this? The reason is that so it will give you a complete idea. Okay, it will give you a complete idea. It means that how many students like they will take. Okay, 82. Okay, so if you divide this, okay, if you divide this, so you will get a complete idea how many students how many students will compete for a one seat. Okay, and I think this will help you a lot. Okay, so I think 14 to is means that if you multiply this 14 into 5, it means that it will be 70, I think. Okay, yes, it will be 70. 70 means and 12. So overall 6 student overall 6 student will compete with each other. Okay, will fight with each other. Okay, it means that not fight like that, all are all are eligible candidates. Okay, so 6 student will compete with each other for one seat. Okay, it means that the ratio for general, it is 6:1. Okay, so it means that so 6 student will compete with each other for one seat. Why I am telling you guys? So it means that you have to prepare well. This is one type of statistical data. So it means that so 6 student will compete with each other for one seat. So the ratio is that, so ratio is that, okay, so 1:6. So 1:6 means that so out of 6 students they will select only one candidate. So this is the ratio for general. Okay, so I think this video will be really helpful for humanities and social science candidate, for HSS candidates domain. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. So for general candidates, okay, the probability is 1/6. So 1/6, it means that so you have to prepare very well. Okay, because so you have 5 including you, so you have 5 rivals, so you have to prepare very well. Okay, so I think this information will help a lot, and this is one type of statistical analysis. So how many students will compete with each other for one seat. So according to me, for humanities and social science candidate, so it is 1/6. So you can analyze it by yourself also. So according to me, okay, according to me, so I think this is a very good ratio. Sometimes you can see it will be like 1/10. It means that 10 student will compete for one seat. Okay, so I think this is a very pathetic situation in our country. So corona cases are increasing, so please stay at home, be safe, stay safe, save your family, and be aware about 8. Okay, so guys, now I'll tell you about for other candidates also. So look, 14 students are there. 14 student, 10, yes, 14 AC students are there. It means that, wait for a moment. Okay, okay, please wait for a moment. So for SC candidate, okay, for SC candidate, already I have discussed what is the ratio for general. So it is 1:6. It is 1:6 for SC candidate. Okay, I'll analyze every point. Okay, I will analyze every point. So for SC candidate, so 14 students are there. 14 students are there. 14 students are shortlisted for 5 seats. So for 5 seats, it means that if you multiply this, so it will come like 2.8. Okay, it means that it is near about 3. So 3 student will compete for 1 seat. 3 student will compete for 1 seat. For SC, it is the ratio like this. So like competition is less for SC student. Okay, so this is a very good condition. Okay, this is a very good opportunity for SC student in IIT Guwahati for humanities and social science. Guys, I am doing this for you. Okay, I am doing this for you. I want to explain everything. What is the scenario? What are the opportunities for different category candidates? So it will help you to analyze what is the probability to get or to take admission in IIT Guwahati. Okay, so listen carefully, share this information with your friends. Okay, so I think this information will help you a lot. Okay, for SC it is 1/6, so 1 student will be selected out of 6, and for SC it will be like 1 student will be selected out of 3. Now I will tell you about SC candidate. Okay, hello guys, listen carefully. Okay, so I think now I will tell you about for EWS category. So 4 seats are allotted. 4 seats are allotted for which category? General EWS category. Okay, 4 seats are there. Okay, so how many EWS category students are shortlisted? I have to check this. 1 second, guys. Look, so this is the number of candidates. Okay, I think this information will help you a lot. Okay, so I think this information will help you a lot. Wait for a moment. Okay, so how many students are there? Like from 69 to 87. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18 and 19. So 19 students are there. Okay, 19 students are there. So 19 students are there, and they will compete with each other. So 19 students are there. Okay, so for 4 seats. So if you multiply, if you divide this, you will get, I think, 4. Okay, and look, 16 3 and 28 7, I think, and dot 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 dot. So it means that, so 5 student you can consider it like near about 5. So it means that Okay, 4 or 5 student will compete for one seat in EWS category. So 4 and 5 student will compete for each category student. Okay, so for EWS category, the probability is 1:5 or 6. You can consider it as it is 4.7 and something, so you can consider it as 5. So the ratio is 1.5. So very good probability for EWS category students. So 5 students will compete for one seat. So I think this is a very good analysis for you guys. So you have to prepare very well, because 6 students for general candidates will compete with each other for one seat. For SC candidates, 3 students will compete for one seat. Okay, will compete for one seat. And look, 5 1:5 means for EWS category 5 students will compete with each other for one seat. Okay, I think this information will be really helpful. And this is OBC category student. It is for like 9. So 9 students will 9 seats are allotted for for OBC candidate. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful and very significant. This is a very good analysis. So according to me, this information will help you a lot. It is from 34. It is from 34, including 34 to look 68. So 68, it means that 69 minus 33. Okay, so you can see this, it is like 6, and it is like, so 36 as 36 students are there. Okay, so 36 students are there for like 36 students. Okay, 36 students are there, and they will compete for they will compete with each other for 9 seats. It means that it's very good. So you can divide this 36 by 9, you will get 4. So 4 student will compete with each other. 4 student will compete with each other. So it means that 4 students will compete with each other for one seat, and this will happen in the category of for OBC. So battlefield is ready. So battlefield is ready for you. So you have to fight. Okay, so guys, I think this analysis is one type of good analysis. Okay, I think so, because this information will give you the idea how many students are there. So what will be your how you can prepare yourself, and you can understand what is your opportunity, what will be your probability to get admission, to take admission in this IIT for PhD program. Okay, so now I will tell you. So for OBC candidate, it is the ratio 1:4. Now I will tell you about SC. Okay, SC is completed. Now I will tell you for it is also completed. So now it is 3. 3 means 3 seats are allotted for ST candidates. So how many seats, how many students are called for interview? So already I have checked that from 15 to 33. It means that 15 and 15 plus 3. So 80 students, 18 18 students will compete with each other for 3 seats. 80 student 18 students will compete for, okay. So it means that this is a very good competition, okay, like general candidate. Oh my god, oh god, 6. So if you divide these 3 seats out of this, so you will get like 6. So the competition in SC candidate, it will be like same with the general candidate. Oh my god, so 6 student will compete, okay, 6 student will compete with each other for 1 seat. Oh my god, I have to show you. I have to I want to share this information with you with a clear vision. So wait for a moment, okay. So wait for a moment. Oh my god. So I think this space will be good for analysis. Oh my god, general candidate for general candidate the opportunity is 1:6. The what is the probability? The probability is 1/6. So it means that 6 students will compete with each other, so for 1 seat. And for EWS category, EWS category, it is like for 1:5. So it is the ratio like this. It is the ratio like this. So I think you can already now you have understood, okay. So I think for OBC candidate, it is like for OBC candidate it is like, so I think it is like 4 19 I think 36 students are called for interview and 9 seats are there, so it is like 1:4. So the probability is 1/4. So for SC and so it is like 1:3. And ST, so it is like 1:6. So it means that oh my god, look, for general and for ST, so 6 students, the competition is same. 6 students will compete with each other for 1 seat, okay. And for EWS category, 5 students will compete with each other for 1 seat. And for OBC category, in case of OBC category, 4 students will compete with each other for 1 seat. But the best opportunity for SC category. So only 3 students will compete, okay, for 1 seat. So it is a very good opportunity this time for this season, July 2021. So like this is the analysis. So I think this information will help you a lot. So this is the main idea, because I wanted to share this share this analysis with you. I think this will give you clear idea what will be your competition, how you should prepare for 1 seat, because what will be your like opportunity. Everything I have discussed in this video. Thank you guys. Tata bye bye from my side. All the best. Share this information with your friends. Share this video with your friends because this is a very good and unique analysis for you guys. Please share this information. Okay. Tata bye bye. Jai Hind. Bande Mataram.